It's another overcast day here in Calgary, and thank goodness, because when this home hits the market, you're not going to want any competition around. This is 21 Elgin Meadows Link Southeast in Calgary. This beautiful home is situated in Mackenzie Town. It has a fantastic location with great access to 130th Ave, Stony Trail, and it's on a double wide street. This home offers 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, over 2,000 square feet with AC, a beautiful landscaping, and a double garage with tons of privacy. This is a home you're not going to want to miss. Welcome home. As soon as you enter the front door, there's a few things to note. Number one, you've got beautiful hardwood floors leading you in, through, and around the house. Number two, you've got these fantastic 9-foot ceilings. It makes the space feel huge. And not only makes the space feel huge, it actually is huge. We're over 2,000 square feet between the main floor and the upper level. I love this room at the front. You can use it either as a formal living room, or it would be fantastic for an office den space. Okay, leading on over here, we've got the stairs leading downstairs. You're gonna wanna check that out, so stay tuned, as well as upstairs. Over here, we have the laundry room. This is a large, practical laundry room. You can obviously do your laundry, as well as tons of storage space. And then we've got this beautifully well-acquainted half bathroom. All of this accumulates and leads into your beautiful large living room and fantastically upgraded kitchen. Okay, we're now into your living room, kitchen, and dining room area. A couple things I want to note about these spaces. One, all of the windows. You have so much natural light coming in here. Don't forget, in the backyard, it's a southwest exposure. So this area fills with tons of natural light. You don't even need to turn the lights on. Speaking of lights, we've got these beautiful updated light fixtures. They look so good. And speaking of updates, we've got so many updates in here. Number one, these absolutely gorgeous quartz countertops. They are beautiful, along with updated handles and pulls, this fantastic backsplash, and a whole updated appliance package. Another thing I want to mention about this kitchen, you have so much countertop space, so much storage space, and on top of that, you still have this large pantry area. It makes so much sense. Moving into the dining room, it's large and you've got a great view of the backyard, which is beautiful, by the way. And then on top of that, you've got this mudroom area. So when you come in from the outside, you're not just stepping right directly into your dining room and living room and kitchen, but you actually have some privacy, some space set apart. It's great for storage. It looks really good and keeps everything concealed and tucked away. Super practical. Okay, so now we're upstairs. I'm currently standing in the bonus room. In the bonus room, we have updated light fixture behind me, and these 2 beautiful windows looking over your gorgeous street. You've got an open staircase here. The open staircase, 1, allows light from the bonus room to come downstairs, and 2, allows light from the stairwell to come up. It makes the space feel really expansive. We also have the 9-foot ceilings, which have been carried up to the main floor, from the main floor, to the top level, including 3 large, beautiful bedrooms with a full bathroom, and then this primary suite, which you have to check out, has in-floor heating. Okay, now we're down here on the lowest level. You have to check out all this space. There is so much room to do whatever you want, a big, large window, tons of lighting, and then you've got this fantastic 4th bedroom with its own ensuite. Okay, we're now in the backyard, which has a ton of great features. One of them is this beautiful walkway that carries all the way to the garage and then has a patio. You can see behind me there's space for the barbecue and then tons of yard space. Behind Tova is a beautiful and large double garage. Over here, we've got some more patio space for sitting, beautiful tall fences for privacy. One of the things I want to mention here, there's no one directly behind you. You've got a lane behind you. And so there's no one directly looking into your backyard. Great for privacy, and then great landscaping around that really accentuates the beauty of the backyard. Thank you so much for checking out this absolutely incredible home. All the features that we've discussed in this video, between the AC, the incredible location, over 2,000 square feet with 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, a double garage, privacy, landscaping, all of it, it's being offered at an incredible price. So please make sure you reach out to us. Let us know if you want to see it. We are absolutely happy to show you it in person. And you really want to see this one in person because it means that much more. Please make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. And as always, keep it real.